Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and have a good day to my fellow panel. Today I will present my project for PS1. My name is Ammar bin Aziz.
Outline for my presentation is background, problem statement, objective, scope project, Gantt chart, literature review, methodology, and lastly preliminary finding. For the background, injection molding process is the important manufacturing process to produce complex shape product with high volume. As you can see, this is the machine of the injection molding, and the product for my project is card holder. The injection molding mold serves to contain plastic melt to produce the final part. The main component of the mold is known as core and cavity. Due to repeating process with extreme environment such as pressure, heat, dust, oil grease, the mold is subject to failure before expecting time. The problem statement. For the problem statement, this is the example of failure mold, which is mold will be dent and diggy, plastic deformation, each deterioration, wear, heat cheese, and crack. For your information, if mold be cracked, there may be the higher pressure we put in the mold, and when the mold have heat crack, it means that high temperature be attached for the mold. Currently, the mold design are mostly based on mold designer experience, and the mold to life cycle is depend on the knowledge regarding materials classification. Mold are classified into many different categories. Most frequently used for general purpose, accurate mold, and high efficiency and high precision mold. The mold life cycle is normally between 0.5 million to 1 million cycle in general purpose molds. Precision made mold is normally 1 million to 2 million cycle in the mold life cycle, while the higher efficiency or high precision mold have a life duration of 500,000 to 1 million cycle. However, estimation mold to life based on material classification is not very accurate because the design of the mold is unique. Very mold have different geometry, plastic material, process parameter. Simulation based on approach using CAE application is potential to predict the mold to life accurately by integrating the preceding injection molding process into fatigue analysis. This project will use simulation-based approach to predict the mold life of plastic card holder core by using mold inspired and hyperwork optic strap. For my objective of this project is to identify material property and S&N curve of selected mold, to extract injection pressure information from the injection molding process using mold inspired, to perform fatigue analysis using hyperworks, and lastly to predict mold life of the selected mold. Scope project for this project is using existing mall tool as card holder and predict the boundary condition of the problem using mall aspire or analytical method. The material for fatigue analysis is limited to P20 material, which assumed as a common use in mall tool. No validation with experimental work will be performed, as the life of the mall may take very long period. This is my Gantt chart for doing the project. For literature review, the selected mall for this project is card holder. The card holder material, dimension and function will be explained for this slide. For the material, I will use the general polyester, as no general PS, and the dimension is 93 times 61 times 5.6 mm. Then the function of card holder is to hold any card. For this project, the core we choose because core is the critical part and complicated geometry for injection molding. P20 material same as AISI 420 stainless. P20 is a high circle, which is 1 million to 100 million circle lifetime. When compared to another material, it is frequently employed by firm producing item. This is my property for P20 material. Table of CAE application in more tool life prediction. As you can see, there are many articles has used the fatigue analysis to the same purpose. I can show you that Lut 2070, Kim 2030, Zhang 2003 using different CAE application, but same purpose for make analysis about the heat and pressure. For the methodology, first, I will get the injection molding information for the mold aspire, and then do the FEA analysis, and lastly generate the fatigue analysis. We be occur the SN curve, and after that I will make the prediction mold lifetime. For the predicted mold lifetime, a selected for the failure mold action will be made. There are 3 countermeasures have been recommended to increase tool life. First, tool material modification, which is change the material. Second, high stress zone rounding corner. It means will change the geometry or change the critical part of the mold. And lastly, the fall prong features is redesigned as an inside component. And the last for my slide, there are preliminary finding. This is my expected result, which is the cycle of the P20 will be in the box that presents. My result will be in that box, which is under 200 stress, and the cycle may be under 10 million circle. That's all for my presentation for my project for this PSM1. Thank you.